and welcome to Costumes and Cocktails. As you can tell, it is a very tropical theme today because the drink that I am making is called the Royal Hawaiian, a very delicious tiki drink. The history is quite interesting, a little unknown and mysterious. No one really knows where it originated. It came to around the 1920s, but it was at that time called the Princess Kaiwani. And in 1950, the Royal Hawaiian Hotel decided to adopt this drink as their namesake drink, so it became renamed the Royal Hawaiian Cocktail. Absolutely beautiful tiki cocktail. It's interesting to note that they now use the Mai Tai as their drink of choice, but I'm still way into the Royal Hawaiian. So let's get started. The gin that I'm going to be using for this cocktail is Calamity Gin, which comes from Texas. Very interesting gin, and they use a lot of citrus and wildflowers. So I thought because of those blossoms, that beautiful taste, it'll go well in a tiki drink. The proportions for this cocktail start off with 1.5 parts gin, next we add 1 part pineapple juice, yummy, 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 yummy. One half part of fresh lemon juice to bring some to the drink. And finally, 1 part orgeat syrup. This one's quite interesting. It is very often used in tiki drinks, and it is an almond syrup and usually has some orange flower water in it. So we're gonna do half. Time to shake it all together, and because it is a tiki drink, we're gonna give it a tiki shake. I don't know if that did anything. And now I'm pouring it into this beautiful cut glassware with a cherry for garnish. Ooh. Time for the taste test. That is a dangerous drink. That is so good. I love pineapple. Kind of the acidity of the pineapple. The orgeat brings in sweetness, and there is some sweetness from the pineapple. The gin and the lemon, it works so well together. It's got a really tropical feel, and it doesn't taste like it has alcohol in it at all. This is really delicious. This is by far one of my favorite cocktails. Thank you so much for joining me, and remember to tune in next week for some more costumes and cocktails.